In today's video, let's learn about combination of addition of 6. Why you need to learn this combination of addition of 6? See the first example, which is 4 plus 1 plus 6. 4 plus 1 is plus 5 minus 4. Here I used small friend subtraction of 1. Then we need to add 6. See, at one start the bid of 5 is already in use. So how we can add 6? So direct addition of 6 is not possible. Now let's check for the big friend addition of 6. So the formula is plus 6 is plus 10 minus 4. See, at one start we can subtract 4 directly. So how can we use big friend addition of 6? In this case we have to use combination formula. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So in this video I am going to explain you in detail how and when we can use combination of addition of 6. So now I am going to write the formula for combination of addition of 6. First let me tell you shortly what is combination. I have explained in detail on the concept of combination in my previous videos. You can get the video link in my description box. So now let me tell you what do you mean by combination. It is the combination of big friend and small friend. Can you tell me what is the big friend addition of 6? Plus 6 is plus 10 minus 4, right? So now I will write this big friend formula. I will write this formula in the form of combination formula. So plus 6 is plus 10, as we know minus 4 is minus 5 plus 1, right? In this equation we used both big friend and small friend formula, right? So that's why it is called combination. Here we got the formula for combination of addition of 6. Now we will be using this formula in all of our sums, right? Let's apply this formula in the same example, which is 4 plus 1 plus 6. 4 plus 1 is plus 5 minus 4. Plus 6 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 1. The answer is 11. Next example, 9 plus 8 plus 6. 9 plus 8 is plus 10 minus 2. Plus 6 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 1. So answer here is 23. Next example, 9 minus 4 plus 6. 9 minus 4, for minus 4 we can do it directly. Then plus 6 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 1. Answer is 11. Next example is 8 plus 7 plus 6. 8 plus 7 is plus 10 minus 3. Here I used big friend addition of 7. Then we need to add 6. Plus 6 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 1. Answer is 21. Next example, 5 plus 6 plus 9. 5 plus 6 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 1. Plus 9 is plus 10 minus 1. So answer is 20. Next example, 2 plus 4 plus 6. 2 plus 4 is plus 5 minus 1 plus 6 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 1. Answer is 12. Next example, 19 minus 1 plus 6. 19 minus 1 we can do it directly. Plus 6 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 1. Answer is 24. The last example, 29 minus 2 plus 6. 29 minus 2 plus 6 is plus 10 minus 5 plus 1. The answer here is 33. Here we have solved all examples based on the formula plus 6 is plus 10 minus 5. If you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section below. Here I have attached one worksheet for you which is based on the same formula. Solve it by yourself. If you have any doubt, if you face any difficulty, please let me know. If you find this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications of my latest videos. Thank you everyone for watching.